Hi folks, Chris Voss here from thechrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming in with another cool review. This is from Ecovacs. You can go to Ecovacs.com. This is their new DEEBOT OZMO U2 Pro. I got to tell you, we've used Ecovacs in our homes for several years now, and they work great. We have one for the upstairs, and now we're using this for the downstairs. And I got to tell you, they've been really solid machines for us, so that's our experience so far. They've worked great, and I have dogs, two huskies that are giant hairy animals. They're shedding a lot, and DEEBOTs have always been able to keep up with them. So this is a really cool product. This is the first time we've had one that also mops, vacuums and mops as a combo. Basically, the DEEBOT U2 can clean up to 200 square meters of entire home at a time when it's fully charged, et cetera, which is about 2,000 square feet. It's got a Max Plus mode that enables increased suction power to handle your tasks, and it's compatible with their innovative pet care kit, especially designed to handle pet care, which of course I usually need. It's got the Osmo mopping technology built into it. It's got hard floor mode, Max Plus mode. So pretty cool in how this thing works. And it does a great job from the testing we've done with it. It'll vacuum and mop simultaneously. So it does both at the same time. Vacuums and mops in one go to save time and effort. It's got a full-size 300 milliliter water tank that covers up to 2,000 square feet. It's got a pet care kit for easy maintenance with an extra large 800 milliliter dustbin that handles even more pet hair, dust, and debris. Tangle-free silicone main brush will also clean the hair without any hassle. Use that for the dog hair. Also, it has systematic cleaning patterns that it does. In hard floor mode, it will, with the mopping plate attached, it will take and navigate an efficient back and forth pattern to make sure it prevents any missed or repeated areas. 2.5 hours runtime. It'll clean up to 2.5 hours on a single charge. Automatically returns to the base, of course, when the battery is low. You've got full app control with the Ecovacs app. You can clean your home anywhere, anytime. Let you take control. You can schedule a clean, monitor your cleaning status, or tell it you want it to stop or return to base, etc., etc. It's got auto charging on it. You can forget cleaning range anxiety. When it's running low on charge, it will automatically go back to its base. Smart home integration. This thing will work with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, so it's hands-free. It's got a triple layer filtration system with 3 layers of dust filtration, and helps block out all that minute particle matter. It's got Stair Safety. The sensor detects drop-offs and moves away to clean your home efficiently and safety, so it's not going to fall down the stairs. You definitely wouldn't want to have that do that. It's got an anti-collision infrared sensors on it and soft cushion bumpers to avoid obstacles and protect your furniture so they're not getting banged up. It's got voice reporting, keeps you in a loop, reports the status while cleaning with real-time updates. It literally talks to you and says, "Oh, you've attached the mopping tray, getting ready to start vacuuming." I forget exactly what it says, but it basically talks to you and gives you updates of what's going on. I got to tell you, we've reviewed a lot of different vacuums on the Chris Voss Show from a lot of different competitors of Ecovacs. This is a really great unit, especially given it works with pets and it mops. And right now, as of this video, it's only $299. It looks like it's marked down from $349, but it's $299 right now. This is a great deal, and it does a great job. It just goes around. You put the little pad on it. It's even got disposable pads that you can use for the mopping if you want to do that, or you can wash the pad. Works really great, and I love how it mops and vacuums at the same time. I mean, it's a 2-for-1. So anyway, I'm really impressed with the product. I really liked it. We'll be using it at our house, and I think you'll like it as well. Lots of different customizations, of course, you can do in the app. I think you'll like that as well. There's some different cleaning modes, also auto, spot, and edge cleaning modes, so it can take and do that. And, it just makes it easier so you can make sure and get everything wonderfully cleaned up in your home and everything else, and it just works great. I mean, I just was really blown away at the unit, and would highly recommend it. Anyway, go to Ecovacs.com. Tell them Chris Voss saying it. Check out the DEEBOT OZMO U2 Pro.